Former British Prime Minister Liz Truss, who is in Taiwan, has said that the West should avoid appeasing China and show unwavering support for the self-governed island. Reports said that her speech risks further damaging Britain's relations with China. Reports said that Truss's visit to Taiwan comes at a time when relations between Britain and China are the worst in decades. Truss is the most well-known British politician to visit Taiwan since former Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher in the 1990s. She represents a wing of the governing Conservative Party that opposes the British government's approach to China, which involves seeking to engage in areas such as trade and climate change while trying to limit national security threats. In her speech in Taiwan, Truss has opposed French President Emmanuel Macron's attempt to distance Europe from any involvement in a conflict over Taiwan, saying that it would be completely irresponsible for European nations to argue that the island is too far away or not important. China claims Taiwan as its own and has not renounced the use of force to ensure eventual unification. Beijing has previously condemned visits by British lawmakers to Taiwan for what it calls interference in China's internal affairs. She was greeted by Foreign Minister Joseph Wu on her arrival at the airport and is expected to meet Taiwanese officials while she is on the island. Truss will reportedly meet President Tsai Ing-wen. Wence's press conference followed a closed-door speech at Taipei's Grand Hyatt Hotel, hosted by the Prospect Foundation, a government-funded think tank that focuses on cross-strait relations. Truss also told reporters that the Asia-Pacific needs a more formal NATO-style security alliance than current pacts like AUKUS and the Quad to ensure regional security, and she also called on the Group of Seven nations and the European Union to work together to apply more coordinated economic pressure on Beijing to change the way China behaves so that it cannot bully and coerce other countries. After being forced out of office in a record 49 days last October over unfunded tax cuts that buffeted the financial markets, Truss has made speeches aimed at rebuilding her political reputation and adding pressure on her successor Rishi Sunak to take a stronger stance on a number of issues. The Chinese embassy in London has said that Liz Truss's trip to Taiwan is a dangerous political stunt.